Hello everyone and welcome back to Altcoin Briefing. So in this video I'm going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale. So before starting the video I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So guys, here you can see it. I am onto my desktop screen and the name of the product is known as PEPESCAPE. So here we are on the website. You can check out their pre-sale in this round. 29 days are left. They has raised this much amount of USD. In this phase you will get one PESC token in 0.000356. Down here you can check out next round will be 0.0012. So you can get in this round of the pre-sale to get cheap tokens as well. And daily with the PESC token you can get the system was never meant for you to win, but they are changing the game every time. In the escape, decentralized business generates 100,000 profits. PP holder receive USDT airdrop straight to their wallets as well. So this is really good. You can also stake to get more income as well. Also you can register resistance the system by joining this amazing product. So you can check out the product has been audited by Coinsult is one of the leading auditing companies, so you can check it out as well. So now let's check out the about section. So they are basically challenging the system. What's wrong with it? So here's the story. I think we are cryptocurrency was supposed to be the great equalizer, the digital phonics rising from the ashes of centralization. Since 2011 I was fantasized by the Bitcoin, that brilliance, decentralization idea born from the dream of freedom. But look where we are now controlled once again. 99% of the wealth is in the hands of few, the same circle just with a different face. So it's telling us that the main goal of Bitcoin is completely gone, so it's now centralized. So this project is here to challenge the system again. So now let's check out how to buy. The method is pretty simple. You just had to get a Trust wallet, MetaMask or any other wallet, then load it with your currency, ETH, BNB or any other coin, and then come to the site, connect and convert it into PESC tokens. Also you can get it with card as well. So now let's check out the tokenomics of the product. Here you can check out the total supply is shown here. The contract address is already given. For pre-sale they have reserved 30% of the tokens. For liquidity they have reserved 12.5%. For marketing they have reserved 20%, and for staking they have reserved 37.5% of the supply. So now let's check out the roadmap of the product. The roadmap has been divided into quarters. So in this phase, which is quarter 2 of 2025, we will see the awakening, narrative drop, revolution, community formation, website and branding launch, as well as Genesis airdrop are some of the features of this phase. In the phase 2 of which is quarter 3 of 2025, we will see token launch, DAO activation, centralized and decentralized listings, as well as first operation. In quarter 4 you will see CEX domination, on-chain trading, anonymous trading tool, AI powered snipper evolution. So you can check out their roadmap as well. So now let's check out the frequently asked questions. So all of the questions that are coming in your mind are already answered by the team. What is basically PEPESCAPE? PEPESCAPE is a meme based crypto project inspired by Mr. Robot, blending crypto rebellion, FOMO and cult marketing. It's more than just a token, it's a movement against centralization. So this is really good. So how can you buy, how can you stay updated, what is the team behind it, when is the launch date, each and everything is shown here. So make sure you check it out. Also make sure you check out the referral program system. You can invite your friends and family into this amazing pre-sale and make some of the refer income as well. Also you can check out their staking feature. They are giving an amazing annual return of 280%, so you can check it out as well. Also they have given you the formula to calculate monthly as well as daily rewards as well. You can check out the supply growth as well as the projected growth has been given here. So guys, make sure you check out this white paper as well as if you like the product, you can join their social media handles as well, because the developers of product are also part of this community. So you can directly talk to them and become part of the communication as well. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also check this out product. And if you like this product, you can participate into that pre-sale as well. So make sure you do your own research as well. This video is just for educational purposes. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.